Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix voicemail notification not working on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. After click on Sound and Vibration, click on Do Not Disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off Do Not Disturb mode. After turn off Do Not Disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on notifications. So allow notifications. After allow notifications, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset and enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix voicemail notification not working on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.